नमस्कार दोस्तों, आईलाइन रेडियो के इस 5वें एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हमारे साथ हैं बेलगाम से ग्रैंड मास्टर नॉम के चेस प्लेयर श्री निरंजन नवलगुंद, जिन्होंने चेस कॉमनवेल्थ में भारत की ओर से सिल्वर मेडल हासिल किया है और भी बहुत सारे राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय चेस प्रतियोगिता में जीत हासिल की है। तो सुनते हैं उनकी कहानी, उन्हीं की जुबानी।
Hello everyone. Of all the experiences in my life, I decided to share how I started chess, as it is one of the special things in my life, and I can also wrap it under 5 minutes. So I remember that I was studying in 3rd grade in M.V. Harwadkar school. It was a very normal day. We had our class assembly at around 10:30, and a lot of students had already come to the classroom. And that's when our class teacher entered and asked us that who's willing to recite the poem today, as roll number 40 is absent, and is someone willing to go in his place. And at that moment nobody seemed interested. I was in the front row. He saw me and then asked me to do it. I was a bit reluctant, but then he said, you have 30 minutes, just prepare and go. So I just knew the poem already, so I just had to revise it once. So I revised it, and I remember that day very well. I went to the stage, I introduced myself, and just when I had finished my introduction, I just went blank. So those few seconds felt like hours to me. I remember that moment very clearly. A lot of you who have stage fear may be able to relate to how it feels. So that is how I felt at that moment. I was regretting for a moment as to why I accepted this. But then after a few moments, I just could not say anything, and my class teacher said, it's okay, it happens. Then a few days later, I was minding the class as the monitor, and it was Mudol sir's class again, and then a peon entered and just gave us a notification, and I was told to read it. So I read the notification. It was about a district level chess tournament in my city, Belgaum. And then and sir asked us who is willing to participate, because we'll have to give the names. And again nobody showed interest, nobody raised their hands. And then sir looked at me. I just maintained the eye contact, considering that I had already messed up the part which he gave me last time. But I thought, okay. Then I said, I don't know the game, but he said you can learn the basics and check if you have chessboard at home. So I came back home and I saw that there was a chessboard with me, because it was given as a birthday gift to me. So I opened the board, and then I waited for my dad to come back home from his office, and then that evening he taught me chess basics. And then after 2-3 days, I think the tournament was there, and I went to the tournament. So I participated in that event, but I started off with a twist. Like, I went to the tournament hall and I waited for my opponent, but my opponent did not turn up in the first round. So I started with a walkover, and then I finished that event with 3 points out of 7 games. It was a good event, a good experience overall. And then the best part about this experience is that I won the same exact event the very next year with a perfect score of 7/7. So the perspective I wish to share is that we never know which moment in our lives can be defining or life changing. So had I said no to that particular moment, then I would not have come this far. So my chess journey has been amazing. I've become a national champion, a Commonwealth silver medalist, and I've also got a grandmaster norm. So all this, it all started with that particular moment where I decided to participate in this event despite having my own doubts about it. So you never know which moment could be life changing. So keep your eyes wide open and listen to your daring heart.
तो दोस्तों ये थे निरंजन जी, जिन्होंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से हमारे साथ शेयर किया। और हालांकि ये जो बातें उन्होंने हमसे कही वो बहुत ही इन्फ्लुएंशियल थी। उन्होंने एक बात पे ज़रूर स्ट्रेस किया कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, मौके जो होते हैं वो बार बार आपका दरवाज़ा नहीं खटखटाते। तो जो भी मौका मिले उसमें सही मेहनत, सही डेडिकेशन के साथ आप काम कीजिए और उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए, तो सक्सेस आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा। दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में कुछ ऐसे ही ख़ास विषय के साथ। धन्यवाद।